Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Learning Community, and this is Daily Vocab. Before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more lessons, okay? And today, we are gonna find out a new phrasal verb. Feel love to, doing something. We use it when we want to talk about having enough energy to do something. Okay? For example, would you like to have dinner tonight? Okay? I'd like to, but I'm so tired and I'm not feeling up to it. In IELTS speaking test, you can use this phrasal verb to improve your vocabulary score. For example, the examiner may ask you, do you like jeans? So you can say, yes, I like jeans because they are kind of trendy and timeless garments that can be used in all seasons. When I wear jeans, I think I feel up to running all day. That's vocabulary for today. Feel love to doing something, and I hope it's gonna work for you, and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.